Welcome back to another edition of the TGIF Tip of the Week. In these 16 videos, what we're trying to define and describe are golf's 16 most common swing characteristics, or better said, 16 most common swing flaws. This week, we're going to talk about the flat shoulder plane and how it is often misdiagnosed and misunderstood. A lot of times when a player has a flat shoulder plane, they'll be told, well, you moved your head. Well, that's true. If my lead shoulder moves in the space that my head was occupying, my head gets moved back. But it's not a matter of me moving my neck around like this. This would be moving my head. It's more a matter of my lead shoulder pushing my head away from where it was at address. The cure is a simple one for this swing flaw. All you have to do is take your lead shoulder and place it line of sight over your trail foot. So as I look down my line of sight, it appears that my lead shoulder is directly over my shoelaces of my trail foot. An easy way to train this is to simply take your left hand, lead hand, slide it down your leg so you have left side bending, and then turn as far as you can. So you'll have left side bending, right side stretching, left side bending, and then a rotation where your lead shoulder is over your trail foot. I have this post here so you can see the differences in a flat shoulder plane parallel with the horizon and a proper shoulder plane. Some angle to my collarbones. My lead shoulder going down towards my trail foot and ending up right over my trail foot this way. From this view, left side down, rotation to the trail foot, and as I look down, this appears to be directly over my trail foot. Find a window, a sliding glass door, a mirror, someplace to look at your reflection. Turn as if you're going to hit it away from your reflection and look to see if your collarbones have some angle to them. If they do, you've got a proper shoulder plane. If your head gets moved backwards towards your heel stance line, then you probably have the flat shoulder plane swing flaw. Good luck with this, and we look forward to seeing you next week.